Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a puppy to celebrate Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this super cute puppy, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come across, so say about right here, and draw another circle. So now with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. Two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so that's my eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. Then in between the eyes, let's draw this big puppy nose. So say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right in the center, and then I'll round it off on both sides and then connect it in the center. So come down right about here and then go right back up. And then I'm going to come right here and just draw this wide oval for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And there. Okay, so then now with the nose, let's come straight down right here with a straight line. And then we're going to go up on both sides because we want a happy puppy, right? So let's go up on both sides with a curve and cap it off. And same thing here. And cap it off. So you can leave your puppy like this if you like, but if you want a tongue sticking out, just come right here. And we're just going to kind of draw this kind of like a U, right here in the center, and then just come right back and just draw a little line down the center. And let's see, we can even, you know what, I'll leave it for now. Let's see, because I was thinking maybe we can put a little curve right here. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Let's see how that looks. If that looks bad, then I'll go ahead and erase that later, but that's okay, right? So if you want, you can add that little part here if you want. Then from there, let's come back to the, let's say the center of your eye. Come out, not too far, just kind of close by. Give yourself a little point. And then I'm going to come down to my tongue area right here, just right underneath. Give myself a little point. So these 3 points just helps me to figure out where to draw my face. So let's come right here, and we're going to come out a little bit just to give our puppy some cheeks. So just draw a slight angle out. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to round it off. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do, and we want to bring a curve back to here. So this part is a little bit flatter. Back to our center, so same thing here. And connect. There. So we have our puppy face in. Then from there, let's bring this part up a little bit more. We're just going to go up. And same thing here, kind of to where that curve is. There. Then from there, we're going to, let's see, we're going to have to draw this big head. So we're just imagining this big oval. So let's say about right here. Just imagine this is going up about here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right over for the top of our head. The top of our head right here, center, and then come right back down. Right on top. So take a look if you're going higher or lower, about right there. And I'll bring this up a little bit more. Now that I'm looking at it, this is kind of where the ears are going to be. There. And then from there, let's draw our ears. So we're going to come in right here, pop this out for some floppy ears. And we're going to come out about here and then come down nice and wide. And let's come back about here. So we want this part to be a little bit pointier, but round it off and in. So same exact thing over here. So about right here, pop it out. And then we're going to go out wide. So about right here is kind of like the widest part, just about right here. Just so I know it's approximately the same. And about right here is where I'm going to start to bring it in. And about right here. So this just helps me to better gauge, try my best to draw it like the other ear. There, got my two floppy ears in, right? Then from there, let's go ahead, we're going to draw the headband. So that's why this part kind of pops out a lot more than it would usually. Because I want to put this band, Christmas band right over here for our puppy. To make him extra festive, right about here. And then let's see here. Then let's go ahead and we'll draw the stuff on top later. Let's come back and draw the body first. So right in the center, I want to give our puppy here a really big bow. So I'm going to come skip a little bit space right underneath the tongue. I'm going to draw the center of our bow. So there's one big rounded off kind of rectangle square, and then I'm going to come up touching the bottom of our puppy face, and I'm going to bring out big bow, so kind of like right underneath the eye, and then just bring it back in. So same thing here, I'm touching the top of our head. Try to make my bow as even as possible. And in. And then we can come in here for some details. Just draw a curve, another curve, and then we're just going to draw some tail. Very simple little tail. Tuck it in. And same thing here, and tuck it in. There. So now that we have this huge bow in, we're going to come about right here. So just imagine the body of our puppy. And come about right here and just draw an angle line out on both sides. Then let's come back to the center. We're going to draw the two front legs. So let's say about right here and here. Nice and centered. I'm going to come down with a curve. So I'm aiming towards my center here. I'm not going to pass it. I'm just going to draw these two curves. And let's bring this down a little bit more, and I'm going to curve out and curve out and come back right here. And about right in this area, I'm going to pop it out for a cute little puppy paw. And you come in here with two curves, and same thing here. You come in about right here, just pop it out. And connect. And once again, two little curves. And then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to finish the body. So we're making this extra simple. Just going to bring it down towards the bottom right here. And before we finish this, let's come right back here and we're going to draw a big curve for the back paw, back foot. So right next to it. And two little curves. And just tuck it in. So same thing here. So let's come right next to this and draw the same thing. Big curve to the back. And go ahead and tuck it in. And whatever space you have right here, just connect it with a curve. There. And then if you like, you can give your puppy here a tail. So I'm going to come about right here and just curve in this short little tail. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Let's bring this in a little bit now that I'm looking at my camera. It's a little bit more even. So like I said, that's pretty much it for the puppy. And we can go ahead and draw the top here. So right on the top of this band, I want to put a star. So I'm going to find my center, go up nice and high, so say about right here. And I'm going to use that point as my guide to draw a cute little round star. And come in, right back to the center, and center. And then I'll just come in here and put this little point right there for the center of our headband. And then on this side, that would be really cute if you like. I'm just going to come about here and draw a small little Christmas tree. So definitely angle your body. So you can put this at angle and connect. And then we're going to, let's see here, we can change this up. Let's put a little spring there. Hopefully you can see that. You can put some lights, so some circles. There. And then on this side, that'd be really cute. We can put a little present. So once again, turn your body over the paper. We want it at this angle. So I'm just going to draw this rounded off square. Put a little bow on top. And a bow wrapping across. And then once again, we're just going to put a little spring right here. There. So hopefully you love how that turned out. And am I missing a heart, right? I'll put a heart right here to make this puppy my Draw So Cute Christmas puppy that's all ready to celebrate Christmas. I really hope I inspired you today to draw this puppy fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.